Hi, this is Betty. Well, Viky83000, and I can't get into my account. I know it's been a while, like 2 years since I uploaded a video, and I just have been through a lot and a lot of crap, and just ridiculousness, just crap. I have so much to vent about. I don't know how long I'm going to vent about it right now because I'm just ad-libbing and going off the top of my head. But, I got in trouble with immigration. And, I just like to, I'm very far in the process, and it seems like the officials, the ICE agency just doesn't know what they're doing, doesn't know what they want, doesn't know how to imply the law. I mean, I went on I got picked up July 2nd, 2013 from my house in Georgia, and they took me down to Atlanta. So, I went to Atlanta and they said, "Oh, you might get a bond." I waited like 3 hours in a holding cell, and basically, I had to wait. And they came back and they told me that I didn't apply for a bond because of my charges. So I didn't know what was going on. I've never been deported. About a little bit about me. My parents came from, I'm Kenyan. My parents came from Kenya when I was a child. I was 3. And I have been going through a lot, and, just grew up here and didn't know much about the system. Well, I had to wait 3 months until I got a court date, and the court date finally rolled around, and I basically did my court in a with on video. I never saw the judge or anything. It went through a huge ordeal, and it was hard and tough on my family, tough on my mom and my dad, and basically they said that I'm a violent person. I've never actually hurt anyone, but they said that I was a violent person, and it's just shocking to me that these officials can dig up your past and dig up whatever you did, and basically throw you in jail and tell you that you're getting deported. The funny thing about that is, if they really wanted to deport me, they would have allowed for due process in my case, which I never got until I was released this past July 10th of 2014. It's just been ridiculous. My family has paid a whole lot of lawyers that didn't really want to do the work, didn't want to fight for my case, didn't want to fight for my rights. Knew very little about, me and where I come from. My dad basically made a decision to move his family and settle in America. And for some reason, people just can't get around that. I would I'm just, at this point, I'm just so tired of everyone in the justice system. I've been screwed over so many times by the justice system, especially in Georgia. The racial profiling is horrible. It's just a known fact. You just have to deal with. It's just a way of life. And I'm just sick and tired of living in a place where I can't have my rights taken care of, that I can't get due process, that I can't hire an attorney and tell him my story and have people work, have people come and actually do the work and look up and make fair assessments about someone's case. But with immigration reform as it is, it's kind of a topic where they're just deporting as many people as they can out of the country, basically out of fear. But I don't know. like I really tried to make it here in the US, and you're entitled to get a Freedom of Information Act. I have never received those papers. This weekend I have called every agency that I can and asked them to send me at least a document that can allow that I can go back to my country of birth if that's what has to happen. My case has made it to the United States Courts of Appeals. I got a letter from them this past Friday, and it's just, I mean, I can't appeal it, but, they're saying that, you have to do what you have to do. But, like in all reality, my family is they're okay. They're going to be okay here.